What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. We're going to go ahead and start off with the main thing being the main thing. Y'all was sitting on $106,844.49. Let's tap into the portfolio and see how this breaks down. All right, right here into the investing account, we got $63,172.13. We're up $22 in the past hour. The market is closed, but we have some activity going on in the after hours, as you can tell. My buying power is sitting at $49.47. That means we've been doing some buying, guys. Also, cash earning interest, $399.47. If you check out Bitcoin, it moved up today. Bitcoin sitting at $97,535 right now. We're up $1,900 in the position, almost $2,000 in the position. So, as you know, Bitcoin being on the blockchain has a lot to do with other investments that's tied to my portfolio, including my new ETF, IBIT. IBIT is the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, sitting at $55.47 right now. We're up in this position $1.05, or which is $1.94%. And even in the aftermarket, it's 0.56% up. I got 64.44 shares of IBIT. Market value is $3,574.99. Average cost is $54.31. Have a total return today of $74.35. I'm up 2.12% in the position. This is an ETF for Bitcoin. The iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF is made by BlackRock. And you got the other one, the other popular one is FBIT, and that one's made by Fidelity. And out of the two, I chose to go with the BlackRock ETF because I felt like it had a slight edge over the one made by Fidelity. So we're going to continue dollar cost average into that position to get more shares and exposure to the Bitcoin. Also, guys, another new investment I made today. I invested in Top T, TOPT. It's the iShares Top 20 U.S. Stocks ETF, sitting at $26.53. You might say, well, KJ, what is this? We never heard of it. We ain't never seen it. Well, I'm glad you asked. Right now, I got 13.30 shares of this ETF. Market value, $352.99. Average cost, $26.31. I'm up $2.99 in this position. Basically, guys, this is the top 20 stocks out of the whole S&P 500. The S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in America. This ETF, the iShares Top 20 U.S. Stocks ETF, that has the top 20 companies out of the S&P 500. And you know those guys are monsters, man. We'll go right here, the top 10 holdings. As you can tell, as of February 7th, 2025, we got Apple at 14.24%, NVIDIA at 13.20%, Microsoft at 12.62%, Broadcom at 5.56%, Meta Platforms 5.13%, Berkshire Hathaway is at 4.66%, Amazon at 4.51%, JP Morgan Chase 4.39%, Eli Lilly is at 3.89%, Tesla is at 3.86%. And this is just the top 10, guys. We got a whole nother 10 stocks that's in this fund. And so you're talking about a game changer, talking about a gold mine. These are the top 20 companies out of the S&P 500 that's going to give us big returns. As a matter of fact, let me show you the 1 year return. And it ain't been in existence long. Just got started back in October 2024. But it's already up from then, 7.15%. So we already on a great path to start on a great path to wealth with this. So we're going to continue to buy and hold long term. Next, let's talk about the Meta Meta Platforms is at $725.89. We're up in the position today. I got 2.53 shares of Meta. It's so expensive, but it's worth having. My market value is $1,839.74. My average cost is $509.94. And I'm up total return $547.32, or a 42.35% return. Meta is booming right now. And then year to date, Meta's up 23% overall year to date. My strategy for Meta is continue to buy and hold long term to see where this goes. I appreciate it. All right, next up we got Serve Robotics. Serve Robotics that is sitting at $19.63. We're up in the aftermarkets. I have 10 shares of Serve Robotics. Market value of $196.30. My average cost for Serve was $8.67. I wish I would have poured $10,000 into this thing when I had a chance, right? Look, total return is $109.60. I'm up 126% in this position. That's insane. 126.41% into Serve Robotics, y'all. I'm just going to continue to buy and hold over the long term and for this position. Next, we got DGRO. I still got 19.21 shares of DGRO. DGRO is sitting at $63.62. It was down today, but it's okay. Average cost is $57.77. Market value is $12.21.97. But I'm up totally $112.35, or 10.13% return. This is an ETF I sold 2 days ago in order to get some capital yesterday, as a matter of fact. I sold it yesterday in order to get some capital for my new investments into IBIT and also into the top T is what it's called. Those two ETFs. Okay. Next, we got LTEC. LTEC is our Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF, sitting at $186.62. It's up on today, but then it dropped back down. I have 12.79 shares of LTEC. This is high growth, high reward. Market value is $2,387.13. Average cost is $171.95. And I'm up total in the position $187.70, or 8.53%. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. Can't forget that. LTEC, we're going to continue to buy and hold this position in our portfolio long term. It's going to help us to get to financial freedom. Next up, we got SPLG. That's our S&P 500 ETF. We're sitting at $71.14 on today. It traded lower today as well. I got 215.61 shares of SPLG. Market value is $15,339.15. Average cost is $63.83. And I'm up total return $1,576.60, or 11.46% return. This is the standard for the market. This is my foundational ETF, which is what is built. My whole entire portfolio is built off of the backbone of SPLG. So we're going to continue to buy and hold this ETF long term because I believe in the upside of the top 500 companies in America. I believe that this thing, SPLG, SP 500, has the potential to go even higher. This is the same exact ETF as VU and SPY. So it's the S&P 500. Next, we got Coca-Cola sitting at $69.07. Up in the hour tonight, I got 32.71 shares of Coca-Cola. Market value is $2,259.72. Average cost is $60.72. I'm up $273.03, or 13.74%. Coca-Cola just had an earnings report this past month where they actually killed the earnings report. They had a real good earnings call, so they're up in today's market. Walmart sitting at $103.90. We're up in this position as well. I have 111.46 shares of Walmart. Market value is $11,581.46. Average cost is $58.12, so almost half of what it's valued at today. And then my today return, we made $159.40. But overall return right now in Walmart, guys, I'm up $5,103.47. 49 cents. That's a 78.78% return. Good gracious. Walmart lately, man, has really been killing the game, really been changing the game. Like I said, market value, I got over $11,000 invested into Walmart. And all I do with this particular stock, y'all, is just DCA, dollar cost averaging to the market. It's a value company, so it's not known for the growth. It's known for the dividends that it pay and known for the value that it gives. But as you can see in the total return, we're up 78, almost 80%, man. $5,103.49. Incredible growth. Absolute monster. Walmart, great for the portfolio. It's doing its thing. Next, we got SCHD. It's my Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, sitting at $27.74. We're down on the position today. I have 237.88 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,599.02. Average cost is $26.30. And my total return is I'm up in the position $342.70, or 5.48% increase. SCHD, I'm gonna continue to buy and hold long term because I believe in the upside of this ETF. It has a lot of great value companies in it that helps pay out the highest amount of dividend in my portfolio. SCHD is a dividend king, and it's known for the dividends that it brings. So that's why I continue to hold it in my portfolio to continue to grow that dividend. Next, I got Alphabet Class A and Class C. This is Google. Alphabet Class A sitting at $183.70. That Google just had earnings report a couple of days ago. They beat expectations by like 1%. So the market actually did a sell-off of this stock instead of gaining more ground. I got 12.71 shares of Alphabet Class A. Market value $2,334.91. Average cost of $144.36. I'm up totally $499.59. That's almost $500, which is a 27.22% increase. That's Alphabet Class A. Now Alphabet Class C, sitting at $185.58. Same thing. I got 4.92 shares of this one. Market value is $913.54. Average cost is $180.20. So a tad bit higher than when I got into Class A. And right now I got a total return of $26.51, or a 2.99% increase. Okay, not bad. Apple's had an amazing day today. It went on for a run. I bought Apple. Apple right now is at $237 flat even. And we're up today $4.27. And even in the aftermarkets, Apple continues to go up. Apple has a dividend coming out for us. I got mine is $4.26, which is incredible because Apple is not known for the dividends that they pay. I got 17.03 shares of Apple. Market value is $4,037.99. Average cost is $175.05. And total return is $1,055.48, or a 35.39% increase. Y'all don't forget, I also pulled out of Apple $1,215 in order to buy me a new Apple iPhone, in which I'm shooting this video on right now. But I didn't. I used my stock to pay for my devices and electronics, and that's exactly what stocks are for, man. If you're interested in how I use the profits off of some of these companies to pay for those products from these companies, like Apple, profit used to buy Apple products, Walmart profits used to buy groceries and whatever from Walmart. Let me know down in the comment box below if you would like to see a video about stuff like that, because that's exactly what I use it for. Now, so it won't come out my pocket. That's how the rich stay rich and keep getting rich. Amazon Amazon is trading low today, $229.73. I got 3.93 shares of Amazon. Market value is $903.51. Average cost $167.48. I got a total return of $244.83, or a 37.17% increase. Amazon, one of those companies I feel like is going to take off anytime now. So I'm definitely continuing to DCA into this position because I believe in the Amazon long term. I'm going to buy and hold Amazon for the long haul. Microsoft sitting at 409.91. Microsoft is actually trading lower than what it was when I first bought it. I got 3.70 shares of Microsoft. Market value is $1,519.09. Average cost $411.89. And it's a negative total return of negative $7.35. Like I said, not used to seeing Microsoft in the negative like this. They didn't have a great earnings report. And lately, Microsoft kind of fell off with the AI race and the GPUs that they use. Microsoft kind of got to rebound and get back right with the, like I said, with the new AI movement and things like that. Okay, next, we go over to the traditional IRA, sitting at $43,670.98. We were down today $130, but we're up in the aftermarket $22. Buying power is $26.07 Nvidia, you guys already know, closed at $130.97. It traded lower today. I got 150 shares on this particular account. I have 54 shares on the other account, so I got 204 shares of Nvidia. Clearly my biggest single investment asset on my portfolio. Right in here, the market value is $19,645.50. Average cost $109.98. I lost $274 in Nvidia today. It traded down, but that was only 1.38% of the total investment of the portfolio. Today, totally, I'm up in a position, $3,146.66. And a lot of you guys, that's over 19% right there, by the way. A lot of you guys have heard me say in the previous videos, once Nvidia gets back up to like $150, $153, I'm going to get that profit off of it. And that's just down here, the total return. That's all I'm talking about. I'm not saying I'm trying to sell my entire position out of Nvidia. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, once this thing, you see how it's up $3,100 right now, $3,148. When that thing goes back up $6,300 something, guys, I'm not going to be able to just let that slide and go back, have a potential chance of not capturing that money. The next time I see Nvidia up to those high levels and the money is there for me to be able to capture, I'm gonna capture it. That's all I'm talking about when I say I'm gonna get what I can get from out of that position. Next up, we got MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is trading at $327.90 today. It was up almost $8 in the market and in the aftermarket combined. I got 10 shares of MicroStrategy. Also, MicroStrategy is one of those companies that's based off of the Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin right now, market value is $3,279 even. Average cost is $297.14. I'm up in this position, $307.60. That's a 10.35% increase. Right now with MicroStrategy, I'm just gonna hold what I got. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I had to hiccup, y'all. I gotta hold what I got for now, the 10 shares. And as time goes on, as I get some indispensable funds through the portfolio, I'll probably just kind of DCA into that position to get more shares. Right now, Costco is up $1,067.79. Costco had a really good day as well in the market. Costco dividend getting ready to pay out. Mine looking like $4.64 coming. I got 4 shares of Costco. Market value is $4,271.16. My average cost is $933.69. I'm up in the position $536.40 or a 14.36% increase. Costco is known for its membership-based retail. Costco is competing against Sam's Clubs, Walmarts, and different retail stores that sell goods and services. But like I said, it's a subscription-based customer service. Okay, next up we got Palantir. Palantir Technologies is up $117.17. Today, I got 16.73 shares of Palantir. Market value is $1,961.01. Average cost is $67.83. I'm up $825.72 in the position, 72.73% increase. Absolutely bananas how Palantir is going. Palantir, Robotics, MicroStrategy. Man, these tech stock companies are becoming tech giants right before our very eyes. I'm going to continue to DCA into the position, continue to buy and hold long term. This the big boy blue chip. I'm going to buy and hold this for long term. Palantir, for whatever reason, is coming up in the market with the names of NVIDIA and the like. And we're invested in both of them, and we're going to continue to hold our investments. And like I said, we're going to continue to buy and hold long term. Palantir is one of those companies that gets its contracts based off of the government. And anytime you have a contractual agreement with the government, man, that's you pretty much running your own golden ticket to wealth. So, because the government's going to be able to spend whatever they need to spend in order to see whatever they need to see coming to fruition, and Palantir will make that happen for them. So, awesome company to own in your portfolio. It's an awesome company. A lot of investors recently called Palantir Technology a money printing machine, and I hope that's exactly what it is for me. All right. I don't think anything else really worth looking at. AMD, even though AMD traded up today, it's $112.21. I'm still down in the position, $102.90. Got 15 shares of AMD. Average cost is $119.07. Market value is $1,683. But as soon as AMD get me back up to $119 and more, I'll be selling out of this position because it's only second best to NVIDIA. That's the only reason why I got AMD, for a quick money making opportunity. We started off the video with the main amount of money in the portfolio. Also, don't forget, we got another $10,222 in the Fidelity investing account as well. That account continues to grow each and every week, so we're going to continue to invest it over there as well. If you have any kind of comments, questions, or concerns, drop them down in the comment box below. Also, guys, another investment I'm thinking about getting into. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below as well. XRP. I've been doing my research on the XRP. I know I've had a couple of you guys ask me about that before. It looks like it went from $1 and some change to up to $2 and some change. And if I had been invested in it, I could have made a whole lot of money because it went up over 100 and something percent. But anyway, you guys tell me what you know about XRP. Tell me what you think about XRP, the Bitcoins, Ethereum, the blockchains. Tell me in the comments box below, because you guys know for a long time I was not really messing with the Bitcoin, but now it seems like a lot of people are starting to jump on the wave of the Bitcoin, and I feel like if that's another asset class that's making millionaires, I'm gonna do what I can to look into it and figure out what I need to do. So you guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Until next time, this is KJ the Investor. I love to learn and I love to teach you guys, and I love to learn from you guys. And I'm not, I'm not too proud not to ask for opinions about things that I don't quite know all about. So you guys do what you got to do to let me know in the comments below. But anyway, this is KJ the Investor, bringing you the best investing advice I can. Over and out. Peace.